Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually rescan your DStv Explora decoder to get back some missing channels on your decoder. So if you are facing some kind of error on your decoder, all you have to do is to rescan your decoder and to check whether those errors will be gone after you are done with the new search. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the DStv logo. That's the button which will lead you to the menu of your DStv decoder. So you press on the blue button, that's the DStv logo on your remote, and from the menu here use the arrow keys just to navigate through the options over here, and then you look for settings. You put it on settings and you press OK. So you find settings, you press OK, and then you come into the settings menu. You look down the option, we have satellite settings, that's the last option over here. You press OK on it, and we have home network on the right side of the page, which you have to select it to proceed with the next page. So from the home network page we have scan all. You can proceed to scan all, or you can just come straight to the launch installation with it. If you place it on a scan all and the signal status over there doesn't show, on the right side of the page you have the signal status monitor over there, which is supposed to be blue, indicating that there is a signal coming out of the satellite dish. So in case you reach this level and there is no signal status showing, the blue signs doesn't show, it actually shows that there is no signal coming out of the satellite dish. So all you got to do is to check the settings from the installation wizard to know whether those are the right settings which will allow you to get the signal from the satellite dish. If you correct every settings in the installation wizard and you're unable to still get the signal, that means that you are not having enough signal from the satellite dish. Alright, so you come to the satellite option, you select the 36B if you are in the listed countries below, and you select the IS20 or IS36 over here. You select the IS20 if you are in the listed countries over here as well. If you are not in those listed countries, you are mostly in West Africa, you have to select this satellite and then you proceed. So if your country is not being listed over there, you select this satellite and you proceed. You press OK. You come to the manual setup, you press OK to proceed, and here all you have to do, you don't have to change anything if you are not doing any extra view installation. So you have to just place it on the scan option over here to make sure if the LNB type has been changed. It's supposed to be the uni cable TM/SAT-CR, so you let it be on it. If it has changed, you place it on it, and then you come down to the scan option. The signal status on the right side is supposed to show, indicating that there is a signal coming out of the satellite dish for you to be able to proceed. If there is no signal or the signal is not enough, you cannot proceed to scan. So all you got to do at this stage is to just press OK, and then you proceed with the search. So you press OK and you wait for the search to complete for you to get access to the channels that is available on the DStv platform, and the working channels will be the channels that is part of your package. So any channel that is not part of your package, it won't be working right there for you. So that's it. If you are to rescan or you have to fix certain error which requires you to rescan your DStv Explora decoder, these are the steps that you need to follow and you are good to go. So if you find this video helpful and you are new to the channel, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back home. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching and bless up.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.